This is Steve Robbins. Welcome to the Get It Done Guys quick and dirty tips to work less and do more. I just love buying new things. They say that if you buy enough new things, you win. The lady who lived upstairs liked to buy new things. She bought clothes and knickknacks, computers, books, and linens. She bought so much that eventually her rooms filled up. The things made walls, like a maze inside her apartment. She would go through the maze to her bed, where there was just enough room for her to sleep for the night. But she kept buying new things, and the walls of the maze got narrower and narrower. One day, she walked into the apartment and disappeared. She was never seen again. The moral of this story is clear. Always carry a ball of string so you can find your way out of any maze you happen to wander into. That, and think 3 times before buying stuff. We all buy stuff. We buy computers, beautiful Moleskine notebooks, expensive software, air conditioners, and vacation timeshares. The first step to a wise decision is knowing what you hope the purchase will do for you. Check your motives. Other than the fun of sheer consumerism, trading a potentially happy, joyful retirement for something you'll play with for a few months and then discard, why do you want to buy this thing now? Surely it can't just be that you're looking forward to a wretched old age of sickness and squalor. There must be some other reason. My next big purchase isn't a computer or a car or something work-related. It's a mattress. My current mattress was born around the same time as Justin Bieber. One of those needs a replacement. And since the Biebs isn't going anywhere anytime soon, it's time for a new mattress. Why do I want the mattress? That's my motive. Why? To improve my sleep. My work takes thought. The right mattress can be the difference between waking well-rested and being something of a zombie in the morning. A mattress is one key to my mental productivity. This seems sensible. Motive-wise, the purchase checks out. Next, figure out the total amount that you'll be paying. For one-time purchases, this is just the price. When using a credit card or other financing, add the amount of interest you'll be paying. For a monthly purchase like a subscription, choose a sensible time frame and total up all the payments you'll make in that time frame. So, for instance, for a $50 a month internet subscription, you might think of it as a 1-year $600 purchase. That's $50 times 12 months. Compare the total price with market prices. I'm looking at a mattress that costs $1,000. It's a technological wonder, and it claims that even sleeping on my side won't cut off circulation. When I look at other mattresses on the market, prices range from $300 to $3,000 and above. By looking at the aggregate price, it seems clear that $1,000 is mid-range. A price of $10,000 might be cause to reconsider, as might a price of $100. Compare this purchase with similar size purchases. What else costs $1,000 that you've been willing to spend money on? A custom 5-foot-tall Oreo ice cream cake, shaped like the Taj Mahal. A MacBook, 2 Burning Man tickets, a negotiation course at Harvard Law School. While comparing these to a mattress is kind of like comparing apples and oranges, sometimes apples really do look enough like oranges to make the comparison. Thank you, Monsanto. A mattress seems like a comparable purchase, and if anything, it will have a bigger effect on my life than any of those things. Also consider money over time. Next, divide the purchase price into smaller time units based on the lifetime of the purchase. So think of it as a yearly amount, a monthly amount, a weekly amount, or a daily amount. Choose the time period that makes the most sense. This mattress comes with a 10-year warranty. Kim Kardashian would have to divide that by 2 because, well, Kim's pretty hard on a mattress. But not me, sadly. 10 years is probably about how long the mattress will last. I am sad. I sleep every night. At $1,000, that's $100 per year for 10 years, which is $8.30 a month or 27 cents a day. A soda at lunch costs 7 times that, and a soda is not 7 times as enjoyable as a wonderful mattress. If it is in your life, you're either buying some excellent soda or you have a lousy mattress. The mattress purchase makes sense on the micro level too. 27 cents a day, a bargain. Ask if saving the money makes sense. Finally, ask what else you'd do with the money if you didn't spend it. If you save it in a bank account or a brokerage account that gives a decent rate of return, it could compound into quite a tidy nest egg someday. It could also be siphoned away in management fees, financial scandals, and the quote-unquote innovation of high-frequency trading. So, while saving sounds sensible, in my book it isn't a slam dunk. The mattress may be a better choice. Plus, you can put your cash in it and save on bank fees. When you're making a big purchase decision, make it wisely. Consider your motives and make sure they are pure as a knight of the round table. Other than Lancelot, of course. Evaluate the total amount you'll be paying against the other alternatives to make sure you're getting a good market price. Compare the total with similar-sized purchases and make sure that it all still makes sense. Also, compare the daily, weekly, or monthly amounts And if all those check out, then you may well have a good decision on your hands. This is Steve Robbins. I run webinars and other programs to help people be extraordinarily productive and build extraordinary careers. If you want to know more, visit steverrobbins.com. That's SteverRobbins.com. Work less, do more, and have a great life.